name's David Evans, engineer operator with South Montgomery County Fire Department, and I've been here for 14 years. So I think what inspired me to become a firefighter was probably the same answer everyone gives, is to help people. I don't want people to have bad days, but I want to be there when they do, to be the one that gets to help. I think one of my most memorable calls was my first in fire. We had a 2-story, 3 o'clock in the morning, fire blowing out of every window. I actually went inside, made a push all the way to the attic, put all the fire out, and then coming out and realizing that this is the coolest job I've ever had. So the heat of the moment, the most challenging part of the job is not second guessing yourself. When you fall back on your training, you don't have to worry about second guessing yourself. Physical part is working out with your crew every chance you get. Some of the hobbies I do at home is working on cars, building stuff, do a lot of saltwater fishing, and just family, everything family we can do. As an engineer operator, I'm responsible for getting the crew to the scene as safe as possible. And then when we get to scene, I'm responsible for getting water, getting lines charged, water supply established, and then moving tools, running tools to the door, whatever tools they need, and any other needs that the crews inside need for me to do. Me and my wife just celebrated our 20-year anniversary. We got 3 boys. I don't know how she does it, but she homeschools all 3 of them. So, there it is. Speaking of confetti,